Welcome back, everyone. Today we're tackling something that gives most English learners sweaty palm small talk.
I can totally relate. Just thinking about chatting with someone in an elevator used to make my heart race. It's funny how such short conversations can feel like climbing a mountain, right?
Totally. Even though small talk seems simple, it's actually a big part of American culture. It's often the first step to making friends or just looking confident in everyday life.
It's like a social handshake. People expect it, and if you skip it, things can get weird, like that awkward silence in line at the coffee shop.
That actually reminds me of a student named Emily. She was super shy, but determined to get better at small talk. Every morning, she'd grab coffee at the same place in LA.
Oh, I know where this is going. The barista Alex was always friendly, right? One rainy morning, he looks out and says, "Crazy weather, huh?"
Exactly. Poor Emily totally froze. Her mind went blank and she barely managed a quiet yes before hiding behind her phone. The embarrassment was real.
I've had something like that happen too. That awkward feeling can really stick with you, but what happened next for Emily?
Well, the next day, Emily decided she was going to be brave. When Alex greeted her with, "Looks like the sun is finally out," she took a breath and replied, "I know. It's about time, isn't it?"
That's such a small change, but it makes a huge difference. Suddenly, it wasn't just a transaction, it was a real conversation. That first step really matters.
Just that one friendly sentence broke the ice. And you know what? Emily and Alex actually became friends after that.
It's wild how those little moments can open up whole new friendships. It makes me wonder why we don't talk more about the power of small talk.
Funny you say that. There are actually a few safe topics in the US that work almost every time. The weather, weekend plans, and compliments.
True, and it's probably wise to steer clear of things like politics or money. A simple, "Any fun plans for the weekend?" or even "I love your shoes" can get a conversation rolling without stress.
That's right. It's all about keeping things light and friendly, especially if you're just meeting someone. People appreciate the effort, even if your English isn't perfect.
Sometimes even a comment about the weather can feel like a lifeline, like, "It's a beautiful day, isn't it?" It sounds small, but it opens doors.
Let's put this into practice. I'll say some small talk phrases, and if you're listening, try repeating them out loud even if you feel silly.
Here's one. "How's your day going so far?" You can use that anywhere from the grocery store to class. It's such an easy icebreaker.
Or try, "Do you have any plans for the weekend?" It shows interest without getting too personal.
Another good one is a compliment, something like, "That's a great watch. Where did you get it?" People usually light up when you notice something nice about them.
Each time you try, it gets a little easier. Small talk really is a skill, like riding a bike or learning a new recipe. The more you do it, the more natural it feels.
And even if it's awkward at first, don't give up. Most people appreciate the effort, and you never know when a friendly chat will turn into something more. Plus, your English will thank you.
We'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite small talk topic? Leave a comment and let's keep this conversation going.
And if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Happy learning and see you next time.